Hello, it's Bekah, and welcome to my little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. I apologize in advance. I do have a little cold. I'm a little sick, but I still want to hang out with you guys and be with you today. I may not take or talk a lot because my voice is a little strained, but this afternoon I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to be making a homemade cherry cobbler from scratch, and I'll also be decorating my kitchen for 4th of July and summer. So as always, I'm so glad you're here with me today and glad you have stopped by for a visit here at my home, the Carriage house.
would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel